Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Solutions. Today we will calculate acceleration due to gravity on the Jupiter. The statement of the numerical is calculate the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the planet Jupiter. Mass of Jupiter is 319 times the mass of the Earth, and the radius of the Jupiter is 11.2 times the radius of the Earth. In this numerical, we have to find out the acceleration due to gravity on the planet Jupiter. Because the mass of Earth has not been given to us, nor the radius is given to us, so we will let the mass of the Earth is me. E means Earth. Radius of the Earth re. So according to the statement given to us, mass of Jupiter, that is mj, will be 319 me, because mass of the Jupiter is 319 times that of Earth. Similarly, the radius of the Jupiter rj will be 11.2 re, because radius of the Jupiter is 11.2 times the radius of the Earth. Now, as we know, acceleration due to gravity on the Earth's surface, on the surface of the Earth, is given by the expression that is Ge is equal to capital G me upon re square. That is number 1. Similarly, acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the Jupiter, that is Gj, is equal to capital G mj upon r square j. This is equation number 2. Here we will divide equation number 2 by equation number 1. So it can be written as I have shown here, that is Gj upon Ge is equal to Gmj upon r square j upon Gme upon r square e. Further solving it, it will come out to be Gmj r square j into r square e upon Gme. Here G will be cut by G. The remainder will be mj upon r square j equal to r square e upon Gme. Now, as the values of mass of Jupiter has been given to us, mass of Jupiter and radius of Jupiter has been given to us, we will put these values in this equation by putting the values, that is mass of Jupiter is 319 times that of mass on the Earth. Radius of the Jupiter is 11.2 times the radius of the Earth. So here we will put all the values. This will cut here. It will come out to be 319 into r square e. It is square, so we'll write the value 2 times, 11.2 into 11.2 into r square e. R square e will be cut by r square e. Now this has come the ratio of acceleration due to gravity on Jupiter to the acceleration of gravity on the Earth. But we have to calculate the acceleration due to gravity on the Jupiter. So Ge will come here, and G is values, that is acceleration due to gravity's value is 9.8, as we know. So we'll put here 9.8. After doing the calculation, it will come out to be 24.9 meter per second square. Hence, the acceleration due to gravity on the Jupiter is 24.9 meter per second square. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and for any queries, please contact me on this channel.
Smart Solution.